In this video, I want to talk about the Tweetily plugin. The Tweetily plugin is the one plugin I use to tweet some of my content every 6 hours, but you can vary this time span to fit your likings. I will show you how to install this tool. Just head over to Plugins and add New, and you will see the search screen. You can just search for it like you would search any other plugin, and there you go. Now we can have a look. This is the Tweetily plugin, and as you can see, it's a free plugin and it has some ratings that are good, some ratings are bad, but I think this is due to technical difficulties. I never had any issues with this plugin. So let's dive in and I will show you how it works. I've already installed this plugin on my blog, and when I scroll down, I just go to Tweetily and click on it. This is the dashboard of Tweetily. You can see a little countdown at the top where they tell you when your next tweet is coming up. You can decide what you want to share, the post title only, the post body only, or both, title and body. I have set mine to share the title because this is usually what draws the most clicks. You can add any additional text and it will be added to your auto posts. I don't think this is necessary. You can then choose the additional text location at the beginning of the tweet or at the end of the tweet. And of course you can decide to include a link. That's what you want to do because we want to drive traffic back to our website. And it will add the link to the exact post you specified. Now, another tactic I use is hashtags, and this plugin will add the hashtags automatically, either from the categories, from post tags, from common hashtags for all tweets, or you can decide to not add any hashtags. I decided to set my categories as hashtags, and it has always worked well for me. The time between the tweets depends on the activity of your own account. For me, 6 hours is just fine because I run a very active account and I share lots of content from authority sources, and the plugin will even add random time. I've set this to be 3 hours, so my followers won't get annoyed because I share my content all the time. They will receive content from people like Neil Patel or Matthew Woodward or Stuart Walker, Pat Flynn, and so on. And in between there will be some content I wrote. Of course, there's also the option to set a minimum age for the post if you only want to include older posts. You can also set a maximum age of posts if you do not want posts that are not up to date any longer. You can enable logging, and you can decide the number of tweets to share each time. I've set this to only 1 because it's always annoying if people tweet lots of tweets at one moment, so 1 is fine for me. Now just have a look if you wanted to share your posts. You can also share your pages or share posts. For my part, I decided to only tick the posts, and I excluded my legal pages and all that boring stuff, and my categories will be tweeted. You can also see these are the names of my categories, so at the same time this will be my hashtags, and hashtag marketing, hashtag SEO or podcast, web design. These are all great hashtags, so don't make your category names too long. And now you just hit the Update Tweetily Options button, and you can even send your first tweet right now, or you can reset your settings. Another nice thing is the option to exclude some posts, and if you click on this, you will get a list of all live posts, including the date, the category, and the author. And you just have to tick this box if you do not want to share one of these. Basically, that's it. All you have to do now is wait for the next tweet. And if you want to know when this happens, just go back to the dashboard and check your tweet. My next tweet is coming in 10 minutes.